Welcome back for another yummy update. Check this post out from Uncle Bobby Loukas. I speak to a lot of crypto folks in real life. The most common theme I hear is, I am so tired, I can't wait to get out this cycle. Mr. Third Gen Cobbler, capitulation. Can't say I'm not feeding it too, but I'm not selling. I'll be damned if I donate my little bank bags to the big bank bags. Not gonna happen. Uncle Bobby, no, it's been like that for a year plus. Most are like, I learned from prior cycles. I need this cycle to make it. So that's how everyone's generally feeling. We felt like this for a long time. I've been making so many videos to tell you nobody actually believes in crypto tech because the tokens go down. And it's not because founders have bad intentions. Every founder wants to be in the glory spot. They do. Yeah, there are grifters, but same thing in everything in life. It's not the token founders or the communities or anything out here. Just for some reason, we just can't get the tokens to go up without macro turning up. We literally just can't. The stock market gets the benefit of money printing Ponzi and forced DCA to just keep getting everything to go up. That's why we want crypto to have more ETFs, more acceptance, and that'll happen over time. But we'll also have less volatility. It will still be volatile. There will still be big crashes, but we won't get the enormous gains that we're hopefully looking for in this thing. Everyone's ready to leave crypto. Prices have been going down for 4 years across altcoins. Bitcoin has been doing amazing. Nobody believes in the tech. Remember, friends, Bitcoin has no technology either. Bitcoin doesn't have any number go up, anything to add to the number go up. That's all it has, number go up. Which is just like everything, right? That's what we want. And yeah, number has been going up. But like for you to think that nothing's ever going to turn around, man, that's like you're saying this time is different. Bitcoin dominance is very, 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 very high. Very, very, very high. It's done a freak accident where in the Bitcoin halving year, it went up again. So it is what it is, right? And I almost guarantee when Bitcoin eventually swoops down, friends, it's so overdue, man. When it swoops down, there's going to be people who buy it early and then they're going to get wrecked. They're literally going to get wrecked. Because Bitcoin, friends, it's because it's gone up for so long, it's trapped so many people. My gosh. They've done leverage. They're in MicroStrategy. Remember, Michael Chad Saylor, he's releasing the STRK strike share, which is literally going to give you 8% yield payout in Bitcoin, which is just diluting the bid. And yeah, it's people are gobbling it up. You know where this ends, man. You know where this ends. And the thing is, betting. See, a lot of people know it's going to end, but they're all betting that it's going to end when Bitcoin's like 300K or 250K in like another year from now. I don't know, man. I've seen markets do stuff. Friends, how many times have we seen this where we think it's going to go on for much longer and then it doesn't? It just stops. That's might be something like what we see now. Now, I'm going to show you the Bitcoin daily chart. Here is Bitcoin up here, hovering around the highs. If we draw a fib, friends, from here, from the top to the bottom, okay, the Fibonacci extension that it takes it to is 127K. So I hope we get up there. By the way, have we done moves like this before? Yes, we have. I mean, check this out, right? This first one, we went up to the highest fib. It was huge, right? But when we did like a big macro range, this big slash up, look where we went to. We went to between 1 and 2 fib here. So I'm wondering if that's where we go to again. I'm wondering if that's where we go to. So 127K up to 160, maybe somewhere here. Just to let you know, pretty much every KOL wants to sell Bitcoin at 150K. They all want to, and they want to sell it by June. And they're underexposed to Ethereum stuff, which still are, but yeah, it's been going down literally since forever. So I wonder if there's a slingshot that's going to happen later on. We've been wondering that for like a long time now. It's just everyone's ready to give up. Having some fun here though, friends. We can actually continue to have some fun and mog non-believers. There's a global petition going on right now. The petition is to replace the poo emoji with the Ethereum logo on the emoji keyboard. When you type in poo, I've shown you what it would look like. Put in the Ethereum logo out here. So yeah, that's the game, man. That's markets, friends. I've seen many charts where I'm like, man, how did investors live through that? It's pain. You know, the stock market's had 17 years, we never broke the high. It is pain. Ethereum is now at a 9-year loss. Literally 9 years. Round trips. 9 years, no gains. Wow, man. 9 years back to Feb 2016. a lot of people want to know why. Like here's the thing. I get it. Yeah, business ISM cycle and everything, get it. But why round trip 9 years? It is what it is, man. It's what markets do, friends. So when things go bad or go good, you don't know how much euphoria or depression is going to basically seep into the players. That's why when we do have the bull market, eventually at some point this century, maybe next century, maybe your grandchildren will enjoy the bull market, friends. Maybe your great-grandchildren, and your great-grandchildren for sure. But once that does happen, be careful of this, right? Because there will be blood, there will be knife drops on the way down to basically liquidate everyone in the bear market. And you just remember how, like, doesn't matter how confident you think you are, you're in a strong coin. When people lose their minds, only bad things happen. It was nice to at least see macros slightly in our favor. Remember the Kippy came out. Kippy came out earlier. It's like 2.8%, but really we didn't give a crap about that. We just want to see that US dollar down, which it has been doing. Now, friends, I'm gonna show you something. This is obviously hilarious. There is a surprise here for you. Just when you thought society couldn't get any lower, we just got lower. Have you seen this? Cuckold Chair Simulator 2023. It is a game on Steam. Jay has just sent it to me. I don't know how you came across this, Jay. Searching Steam games. It's an actual cuck simulator. And I'm going to show you some pictures. But it's basically Sims and everybody's engaging in premarital simulations. So I can't believe it, man. I've lost faith in society, man. This is it. There are, let's just say you have a sausage with the bun, and there are ladies who are also fans of the sausage. Maybe they need their calories for the day. They seem to be enjoying it. Don't know why they are eating on the bed. Oh man, I can't believe this, friends. Like, this is, wow. Yeah, so if you ever wanted to know what it's like to be Charles Cuckinson for a day, this is pretty much the perspective. I don't know how the game works, but you got a HP bar. So to our shock friends, the mysteries of life. Who made this game and why? This was made years ago. The Hotel Cuck Chair, huh? So if you want to know what it's like actually to be an Ethereum dev with Charles Cuckinson as well, that's what it's like. Thank you very much to Jay for finding that. If you played it, let us know. We'll check out the game reviews. But that's honestly what it feels like to be holding Ethereum for the past 4 years. Okay, you've been participating in nothing, just watching everybody have fun without you. In one of the games as well, in one of the levels, there's some dude, there's some naked dude dancing in the corner by himself. So, man, if you could put Ethereum into a game, that's what it feels like. That's what this past 4 years has felt like. But here's the thing. Even after all those, you scratches your head, man, because stablecoins have gone up. They've enhanced DeFi. They've enhanced more like upgrades and speeds and applications. They have, man. They have. But if you really want to know what actually changed, what has actually changed? Well, honestly, this is what actually changed. People, the new wave came in. They were so fed up with tokens going down, they did not want to buy expensive VC coins. So people became more mercenary, short-term trader types. And that product market fit went to Pump Fund. And Solana allows everybody to trade in 2 seconds. Now, they just lose money faster there. But everybody there thinks they're going to get rich, right? So now we see, obviously, Solana's Sol BTC's flip red on the weekly super chain. Everyone still thinks it's going to go up. But then we saw the LA Vape Cabal, Market Maker Exchange Cabal. So basically, people went another direction. They thought they were going to win. They lose anyway. And now everyone's just left to pick up the pieces and just hold it out. So how does it go from here? A lot of people say, oh, let's go back to utility. We don't need your coin, dude. We don't need anything in crypto. In fact, people don't even need Bitcoin. They only think they need it because the price goes up. If Bitcoin's price wasn't going up, no one would get in. That's it. What if it stalls later on? So that's the game, friend. So like, if you think its cycle's going to continue, okay, well, we got to be long. There's going to be demand somewhere. Okay. I found this very interesting and also disgusting. So Binance friend, sorry, ByBit, they're delisting Mother. Okay. So I accidentally wrote Binance, but it's ByBit. But I'm just thinking, man, like, you listed Iggy Azalea's coin. Okay. Yeah, she's got a big juicy booty. All right. But so do I, dude. What about my juicy booty? Okay. And here it is. Here's the coin. Ugh, this looks like everything, dude, man. This looks like everything. Okay. It's down 97, 98%. So ByBit's like, oh, we're not going to list it. And I'm thinking, on behalf of the PulseChain community, you haven't listed 250,000 person strong community. And you put that as priority. What's wrong, Ben? What's wrong with you? Seriously, I want to know what's wrong with you. Were you paid? Let us know you are paid. That's weird. It's really weird. You're like giving your customers something where it's so embarrassing they have to delist it. PulseChain community is still here, waiting for a tier 1 exchange listing. I think I saw some videos. Corey and Panos had an interview. They're just talking about MEXC and stuff out here. And it's a heated thing because MEXC they want everybody to kiss the ring. They're like, I rugged the liquidity from you, but I'll come and kiss the ring and change it, and then maybe we'll list you. Like, oh well. And if they want everybody just to be nice to them, welcome to PulseChain. We love you, MEXC. Can you list us? Also, friends, a lot of you, some of you were saying MEXC's volume was low. Yeah, but it's not about that. It's just nice to have more bridges, more rails out there. It's nice to be listed on multiple places. So it increases the probability that people who haven't listed you, they're like, oh, they've listed us. They've done like a lot of the homework. I guess it's okay for them. I guess we'll list them. Okay. That's what it comes down to. Can't help but laugh at this, friends. Top signals, right? So I don't think the cycle tops in, but this is funny. So friends, this is weird phenomena. Whenever Bitcoin goes up, blonde American girls, some brunettes, you'd go on. They just come out showing their bosoms and posing and just saying, we love Bitcoin. Ha, we love Bitcoin. And it always curses it. So this was the Bitcoin top here from Natalie Brunel. I'm starting a weekly Bitcoin dinner with my girlfriends. They are new to Bitcoin. And it's literally, and then it literally went down only. Look what just happened. Nicole Benham got every single friend of mine to sign up for Twitter and download a Phantom wallet last night. Happy holidays. So they took a picture out here. So I don't know what it is. I wonder if we're going to get one at the most intergalactic big heights as well. I've written female top signal special, but remember from my my exotic top signal list, I don't think the cycle tops in. There's no euphoria. You got to end on euphoria. Okay, you grow on skepticism. You grow on FUD. I know altcoins suck. Ethereum sucks. It's been letting everyone down. But I'm just going to have faith, man. I'm a man of faith. I just believe. That's it. I just believe, okay? I've listened to the DeSoy Tysons my whole life. And guess what? There's a lot of shit they can't explain. Yeah? They can't explain. Precognition. They can't explain how I know twins, and when they're in like a totally different area, they know when the other one's crying. They can feel it. They cry themselves. A lot of weird stuff. There's just too much stuff. DeSoy Tyson. There's just move aside, dude. Move aside, okay? DeSoy Tysons of the world, they're telling you to buy Bitcoin at 1.4 million because it's already adopted and you're going to get your shitty little 3% gains, okay? They're not telling you to buy Bitcoin and crypto when the big gains are here, okay? They're telling you to buy the stock market. They just, by definition, they're late. You got to have 1,000 formulas and stuff out here. I'm just a man of faith, friends. I don't know how Ethereum's ship's going to turn around, but I'm just praying. Now, I think it's time to reflect, right? Exactly 5 years ago, this is what happened, all right? We woke up. Crypto was dead. All right, it was literally zombie virus. We speed run back down to the bottom, and it was literally Ethereum down on this price went to $100, and then it did a 44x rally. You know, so looking at this, it gives me emotions because I remember the nostalgia. But then we went up only. You know, and that was 5 years ago, not 4 years ago. What happened to the 4 year cycle? We just got to see, fans. You just don't know, man. We could still have a very powerful finisher for the moves. We can. They could just do. Market cycles can do that, right? But we'll wait until the end. It's not nice. It's not nice at all to see others BTC. In every single cycle, it only had 2 or 3 red monthly candles for others BTC, and we're already on month 3. My gosh. This is horrible. It's dog shit. I'm gonna keep holding though. Remember, it's Blood Moon week as well. Yeah, man, I've got some terrible news. So obviously, I got sick in Blood Moon week. Okay, got wrecked in Blood Moon week. Real sick. Also, friends, there's been multiple family members, unfortunately, found out about cancer. Very, very horrible. Multiple family members. It's yeah, and all came within this Blood Moon area. This Blood Moon week. There's been bad news everywhere. There's also been other people I know as well. Kind of like extended friends. They're just like, oh, they just found it's just so weird. They're like, multiple people have heard a report like, oh, this person just found out like her auntie needs like a hip replacement. This person just found out like, oh, her dad's like, got just some bleeding internally stuff. You know what I mean? Like it was just so weird. All of it just hits this week. All of it. Like, because obviously when I'm hearing this information, I'm just like, man, that's another one. And then that's another one. And that's another one, So I don't know what it is. Blood Moon, right? Let's hope that maybe friends, Blood Moon. See, we've had 20 pieces of good news and then we keep dumping. Maybe this Blood Moon just gives us bad news and then we just go up. You never know. Maybe Jim Cramer being bullish is the black swan, bad news, and then we go up anyway. You just never know with this game. Now, with Ethereum's price being in cuck zones, this is the Pulse ETH ratio, friends. It's been going nowhere for a long time. And like this is still at a loss from 4 years ago, pretty much. Down 66%. Yeah, but with your slingshot leverage on ETH and ETH BTC's down, it is what it is. A lot of you in my Telegram as well, you're very, very welcome. A lot of people have been thanking me because you hear me talk about speeds down. And so your brains, after watching me for like thousands of hours, you finally started to notice, oh, the SPI ETH BTC's down. And then you can see that means, oh, PulseChain's down. We're getting clobbered on the way down. Yeah. You start to see stuff like that. Because I'm looking at it all the time. I know they move like that. I know it's all slingshot leverage, right? It's so obvious to me just because I've been here like 30,000 hour plus, right? But for everyone new, you don't see it. Because a lot of people out there, friends, you and I, we see like the risk curve of crypto. We know Bitcoin's really heavy, then Ethereum, dog shit, and then everything else moves out the risk curve. But other people, in their mind, Ethereum is just an altcoin, and Dogecoin's just an altcoin, and then like a MOG on PulseChain is just an altcoin, right? They see them the same. They're like, oh, should I buy this MOG thing or this Ethereum thing? But in your mind, Ethereum carries a big weight. It's meant to be like a blue chip altcoin and Bitcoin as well. But to them, they just see them as like logos because they're like, oh, you're equally as useless to me. You know what I mean? But it's kind of like somebody who does not watch any football at all. They don't watch any football at all. And then they say, oh, what jerseys should I wear? He's Manchester and he's Leeds. I don't know which jersey to wear. You know what I mean? But let's say you watch football, you know the players, you know the coach, you know what their positions are differently, you know who's got higher odds of winning, who's been performing well lately. You know that the jerseys they mean something different to you. It's the same thing with flags and stuff as well. Like if I show you the American flag, yeah, US of A, and then what do you think? You think like America, Trump, you think of Toby's mustache, you think of Dr. Hexologist, Hooters. That's what you think about. Then I show you Canada, you think of maple syrup. You think of Justin Trudeau, even though he's out now, right? And then I show you another flag. Maybe I'll show you China. You think of President Winnie the Pooh. You think of the smog in Shanghai cities. You think, you know what I mean? Like, just see, they evoke different emotions. It's the same thing when it comes to these altcoins. And new people don't get it, but you're starting to get it. That's why looking at, say, the Pulse ETH ratio, it puts things into perspective, right? So think about this, right? Should PulseChain be down 66% right now against ETH? Well, the truth is, yeah, it should. Because ETH BTC, this abomination, has been going down. PulseChain launched here. ETH BTC has dropped 64%. You know, so ETH BTC is down 64%. I think Pulse BTC is down like 86%. We're slingshot leverage. You know, so you're like, does it make sense? Yeah, it does make sense. Okay, so look, we wanted to turn around, but what do we actually want to turn around? We want business ISM to turn around. We want Ethereum to turn around. That's what we actually want. We want Ethereum to turn around. But has it turned around yet? No, it hasn't. Okay, so we are where we should be. That's ultimately what it comes down to. But here's the thing, friends. You're not playing for a world where things stay dead forever. You're playing for what you think the world will look like in 12, 24, 36 months. That's being an investor. You're playing for the future. So I hope we do get back to this, at least break even, and then we have to get through the jeets there. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it, friends. Do you still believe in crypto? I know it's been terrific. I'm continuing to hold. I don't know if we're going to get this alt season wave 1, what we think we're going to get. I hope we do, man. It all depends on ETH. We'll see. Like, subscribe, catch you soon.